But you actually don't know me. It's just a drive, you know what I'm saying? Hey, oh, hey, am I fault? You got me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. When you ain't me, guess you gon' see, yeah. Young boy out here chasing dreams, yeah. Everything that good ain't what it seems, yeah. Watch out now, you tryna cramp my style. What you doing, cause you wild. Thinking you know more than.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another winner. I'm bringing y'all the heat all 2020. So this unit is from Her Given Hair. This is how their units come packaged, and it did come with this deep conditioner that's specifically used for wigs and weaves. It's by Absorber, and this conditioner I've used in the past and it's really good. This is the satin bag that it came in, and guys, the name of this unit is Wings in Coils unit. Now Her Given Hair has made quite a few upgrades. They have the elastic band, which is something they did recently, but now they offer deep bleached knots as well as transparent lace. And y'all, this lace just melts into the skin so nicely. And look at this hairline, y'all. It looks so natural. This is the texture of the hair right out of the package. And while you could wear it just like this, it looks really good. I'm going to show you all what I do to bring it to life a little more. So this is the hairline up close and personal. You do get 6 inches of deep parting space. And when I tell y'all it's deep, it's deep. It looks so good. And guys, it has been pre-plucked as well, and they've done a really good job with it. It looks very realistic. I didn't have to do anything to this hairline, and that always makes me happy because it saves some extra time when you don't have to worry about customizing the hairline. Here's what the parting space looks like. I'm just showing you all in different areas of the unit. Now on the side you do get less, you get about 2 inches, but in the center you do get the 6 inches throughout. Now this is what the unit looks like. Once again, it has been pre-styled and cut to achieve this shape. The original length was length 18, and often you have to do a longer length in order to achieve the wings or the heart shape that you all know I love. This is the conditioner that I'm going to be using on the hair, Total Miracle, and this is by Aussie. This is my favorite conditioner for this hair and my natural hair. So I've already saturated the hair with water and also distributed the conditioner throughout. I'd recommend when using any textured unit that you condition or co-wash the hair only. So that means just using conditioner. I do not use shampoo on any of my textured units like this. You can use shampoo, but just for the sake of ensuring that there isn't any drying that takes place and that the hair is really moisturized, which is going to help to increase longevity, I only use conditioner. Now, after I've placed a good amount of conditioner on the hair, as you all can see, I used a lot. I'm now going in with my Felicia Leatherwood Detangling brush, but you can also use a Denman brush. That one's really good as well. And I am just defining these curls and making sure that all of the hair gets as much conditioner and also definition as I desire. After I've completed this process, I'm going to rinse the conditioner out, and then I'm going to show you all what stylers I used on this hair.
Hey, can you just chill, bro? It's just a draft. Hey, I can't help but this, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you, I can't help but this, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you, the way that you move, made me wanna get on my feet, step into the groove. Shawty come closer to me, stick to me like glue.
This is the amount of shedding that I experience, which is very normal. If you experience more or it's excessive to the degree where it's just like, what is going on, then reach out to Her Given Hair within 7 days and they can do something to help you all out. Now, this is what the hair looks like after rinsing out the conditioner. And as you all can see, there are some little straggly ends, so I'm going to cut those later. Now, right now, I'm going to decide to actually tint the lace. And as you can see, it's already looking really good, but I just want to show you all how you can go about tinting the lace. I found a different method for you guys that I wanted to share. So I've heard a lot of good things about Wig Guru's lace tint, and I've been wanting to try it for a while, so I finally got all the colors that they offer. I'm going to be using the color Caramel Frappe. I felt like that was most like my scalp, but I'm still kind of playing around with these to get the perfect color. But with this particular unit, I felt like this color was good. But I'm going to show you all on another unit that doesn't have as much color what this lace tint can really do. So I'm just spraying it on, and then I'm going to allow for it to air dry for about 5 minutes, turn it over, and now we're going to begin to add the styler. Now these are my favorite stylers for my coily textured human hair units. I generally start by applying a generous amount of the curl defining glaze by Dark and Lovely first, and make sure that you get all around the unit. Don't just do the top portion of the unit. Get in between the hair, make sure even the back gets enough product, and then after you've raked this in using your fingers, follow it up with the other product, the Softee Naturals Curl Enhancer. That's going to give you a good amount of hold. After I apply this product, then I begin defining the curls.
I ain't really grow up dancing, but I might take my chances. Guess I'm gonna take my chance, just take them on you. This feel like Anderson pack in the back of a Cadillac with an 8-track in a backpack on a dash playing Bernie Mac.
Oh, I like the sound of that.
I can't help but dance, can't help but move when I look at you. When I look at you.
As you all can see, the hair is super moisturized and the curls are popping, but we still have those straggly ends, so I'm going to cut those really quickly. After I've done that, I'm going to allow for the hair to air dry for maybe about an hour or two. After doing this, I'm going to begin to cut the lace off, and then we're going to work on installing this bomb unit.
That's what she said. Yep, that's what she said. Every time I come around, she acting shy. She be looking good, she be looking fly. She told her mama that I make her feel like.
Alright y'all, so now it's time to install this unit. So this is what the lace is looking like. I am going to adjust the elastic band to show you all how the unit looks glueless. So I'm just going to put it on and show you all that you don't necessarily have to use got2b glue or any type of wood glue in order to secure this unit down. You can wear it as is. I'm just going to take the clips off so you all can see it a little better. And then after I do this, I'm going to begin securing the unit down with got2b glue just to show you all what that looks like as well.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. It's funny how you came across my path, yeah. I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your past. Yeah, you know it's true that you're worth more than you ever see. Ooh, baby, please just come to me. I got what you need, just know. Ooh, I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you.
Alright, so now that you all were able to see how I melted the lace, which was pretty easy with this transparent lace, right now I'm just applying more gel to my edges and also near the parting area, which is going to make the unit look so much more juicy. So I'm going to do that, and then after doing so, I'm going to pick the hair out to give it some volume, and then we're going to be finished, guys. This hairline looks so real. It's insane. And this hair. Oh my goodness, the curls are beautiful.
I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes. I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right. Whisper I love you. I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. Hey, I just wanna talk to you. Baby, can we talk a while? Yeah. And see what this love can do. It's just gonna be us two. 'Cause baby, this love was made just for you. I promise you, baby, that I won't waste your time. I don't wanna waste your time. Make sure.
All right, y'all, these are the finished results. This lace is unclockable. This hair feels like butter. Y'all, I wish y'all could feel it so that you all can tell how amazing it is. It's so moisturized, so defined, and it's unbelievable that this is not my real natural hair. Again, this is the Coily texture and it best matches 3C4A naturals, but for me, it more so looks like type 4A hair. This unit is so gorgeous. I love everything about it. You all be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications. Her Given Hair is also having a sale currently for Valentine's Day. The sale lasts until February 15th and I will provide the discount code down in the description box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share with a friend. We are growing, guys. We reached 300K. Can you all believe that? I am so blown away by everything that God is doing. I'm so grateful for all of you guys. I love you all. Continue to support. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Make sure you're safe, make sure you're satisfied.